Well, let's see how much the Trail Boss likes to pick up with a not so big tractor coming off. What's up, guys? Finally filming some more new gen Silverado content for y'all. Got my father-in-law's 2020 Trail Boss for the weekend, and we're going to be giving it a completely different attitude and then seeing what he thinks about it. Yes, it is pouring down rain. No, I do not care. It's been absolutely miserably hot for the last month, so a little rain, I'll freaking take it. We gonna just film on through it. This truck looks so freaking good. He gets compliments about it all the time, and he says he's gonna keep it forever. I think he's got about 90,000 miles on it, so we definitely are getting close to doing a 100K review on this bad boy. Only thing that really could be better is having a little bit bigger tires, because this is such a big body truck. The 33s kind of look a little bit small, especially in the rear in some cases, but the only reason why he didn't go 35s to begin with was because his driveway is gnarly. It's a super sharp left turn. It's off camber. If you rub at all on normal turns, you're gonna rip your fenders off going out of his driveway. So in order to not ruin his commute, he decided to go with 33s, and they look really good, but it's about time to replace them, and he really wants to go with 35s this go around. So we're going to be test fitting our Forces and 35s, because the Forces have about the same offset, I think, and they have brand new 35s on. It's pretty safe to say we're gonna have our hands full getting these babies to clear. Brand new, true to size 35s, worn out 33s, the air conditioning going, sorry about it. Yeah, there's quite a bit of height difference. Let's go ahead and check out Larry on the 22s. Holy crap, that's pretty bad, ain't gonna lie. That's pretty rough. Larry Barry, you were not meant for this style wheel. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty friggin' bad. Pulling this thing up here real quick to wash it. When are we gonna rub? Dude, it's actually turning a lot. I don't want to rip his little fender flares off, but holy crap. I feel so freaking comfortable in these trucks. This truck specifically, but all of this generation. I will say the screens are looking pretty tiny now, especially hopping out of my Ford, but man, I'm more comfortable in this after driving it for literally no time, as soon as I get in it, than my new F-150. This is your sign to go out and put some grease in your upper control arms if you have aftermarket ones that are greasable, because yeah, them boys right there neglected. We are driving the Trail Boss on the Forces. You can do exactly half a turn. Steering wheel will be upside down right before it starts to rub, and believe it or not, well, I say believe it or not, it's drivable. It's drivable for me just because I've experienced so many vehicles that are like this, where you can rock. Yikes. barely turn, and I justified in my mind like, oh yeah, it's drivable. First parking lot you're in, you're screwed, you're done. Big old water turtle. Yes, if I drove by, he'd definitely make it, but I want to see him scurry. Go, buddy, y'all, so close to the lake. Go, 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 go. All right, I'm gonna pick you up. Don't freak, don't scratch me. We're traveling, we're traveling. We're hyperspeed, we wide open, baby. Let's freaking go. See you, turtle. Truck is looking minty. Woo, on the concrete. Unreal. Something about an all black truck, polished wheels, looking incredible. I've got to get him a brow so badly. It needs a brow. It's screaming for one. I can't stand that little black thing in the mirror, middle for the mirror. But dude, I didn't go too crazy with the wash, so there's still a bunch of bugs on the front. It's gonna be storming all weekend. Holy crap. Take a step back. Obviously you can't really run this size on here without just torturing yourself, but look how freaking beefy it looks. I gotta go swap these wheels and tires back before he gets back from the Braves game so he can drive his truck home. I was gonna let him, wait and let him see it, but since the 2 inches is on there, it's kind of ruined as far as driving it. He'd just be able to see it. And then once you see it with 35s, you're not gonna wanna go back to 33s. So I'm probably gonna just go ahead and swap them back. Well, there is your mileage on her, 84,000. So she getting on up there. The wheels are even worse than the truck was. I mean, that's real bad. Dadgummit. I'm gonna try to work some magic on them. Let's see what I can do. I'd say slightly better. I got it tires shined, washed with the brush, washed with the rag, and dadgum, brought her back to life. Back on the black wheels she goes, and honestly, this thing looks freaking sick on them. Yes, the 33s do look a smidge small after seeing it on 35s, but dude, the all black, it just freaking works on here. It's crazy how good these wheels look on this truck and how terrible they look on Larry. Different designs for different trucks. FedEx just delivered a box. They're using a Metro square box, whatever, right? So they pull up, I'm washing the wheels. So I get up and walk out to them. I ain't got no shirt on. Let's see, you get a reflection? Yeah, I ain't got no shirt on, right? I've been getting poured on and it's hot as crap. I'm at my house. Sitting passenger seat is a dude wearing a wife beater and sweatpants. And I walk out to him, and the lady that is actually the FedEx driver is in the back getting my box, and she comes out, hands the box to him, he hands it to me, and then as I'm walking up to the house, I hear him loudly say something about me not having a shirt on, and I'm like, bruh, one, your girl's got her boyfriend, aka you, riding along on the job when I know you ain't supposed to be there. Two, I'm at my freaking house with no shirt on. I could be butt naked out here if I want to be. And then three, I don't even know. I was taken back by the statements. It didn't offend me or anything. It was just hilarious. Like, bro, you're clearly just cruising along with your girl on her job today for some reason. And you over here talking smack. Anyways, it was funny.